Hello friend, let's see. I want to show you the DVNA Pharmacy Management Software. So what is this exactly? DVNA Pharmacy Management Software is exactly the software that is used for the medicine shop counters for retail billings, wholesale billings, and here you will see the home page. So this here it is written the DVNA Pharmacy Management Software, DVNA Pharmacy MS. So DBNA means the name of the company, pharmacy is the name of the, and DBNA is the name of the company, pharmacy is the name of the business, and MS is the management software. So for this here, you have to put your username and password. I'm putting the username and password and click on the login button. So it is coming this page. This is just like the dashboard of this software, and it is also called the contents page of this software. So there are many menu. So you see the one vertical menu. Vertical is the administrator, HR, purchase, report, and sales. Okay, and other one is the horizontal menu. So you can minimize this by clicking on this. So as per your need, you can use this menu. So this is the horizontal menu. This is the purchase menu. This is the reports and backup. Inside this reports is the backup and reporting. And this is the return, retail return and wholesale return. This is the sales. Sales here is the duplicate bill, retail bill and wholesale bill. Okay, so there are three kinds of billing system in this software. One is the retail billing, one is the other one is the wholesale billing. So exactly what is the retail billing? Retail billing is the whenever your customer is coming in your counter, they are using they are purchasing the pharmacy for their own use. That means they are the directly consumer. So this type of customers is called the retail customer. So we can use this billing system for the retail customer only. So they will this billing system will be helpful for you retail customers. And wholesale, what is the wholesale? Wholesale is that whenever any retailer is coming to purchase from the wholesalers, so here is the difference between the rates. So in retail, in case of the retails, it will make the billing as per the MRP rate, and wholesaler it can make the billing as per the margin rate. So, and duplicate billing is that one kinds of the billing from which if any customer want to bill from your shop and they do not want to purchase the medicines. So for that, this is called the duplicate billing. In the case of whenever you are using the duplicate bill, then that times there is no any impact on your stock. That means your medicine will not deduct from your stock. So these are the meaning of the duplicate bill, retail bill, and wholesale bill. So now I am coming to the one by one. First, I am coming to the retail bill. So let I am going to explain you how retail billing is working. Retail billing, this is here. So you already, and I think you know about the customer. So there are two kinds of customer. One is the existing customer and one is the new customers. Whenever new customer will come, then you have to put the name and details here. Okay, then it will come to the new customer. And suppose I'm going to make the billing for the existing customer. So for existing customer, we have to search the name of the customer. So I'm putting here the letter A. So after putting this letters, then it will show you the all names that begin with the A. So I'm selecting anyone from here. So I'm selecting suppose this. Okay, so now you have to go to there the search and put letter A if you want to see the medicine from A letters, and then you have to select the medicine name. Then after selecting the medicine name, it will ask you the batch number. You have to put the batch number, and then you have to the required quantity. So I'm putting the required quantity is the 10. In this way, after putting the quantity, everything will be the fill up automatically. If you want to give the discount, then you can put here the something discount. Okay, if you do not want to give the any discount, then you can put here the 0. Suppose you are putting the 0, that means no discount. So let's come, suppose I want to enter the some another medicine, so putting A and keeping this keeping another medicine. Okay, and then batch number, suppose this I'm giving the this is not available, so I'm putting this batch, so I'm putting here. Okay, so in this way, also going to the C, then we can check, suppose this, so this, so I'm putting here the 5 quantity. So after putting 5 it will come, now come to the some other medicine. Okay, so in this way whatever medicine required and by customer, then we can put there, and it will give. Okay, so after filling this form, whatever medicine you need, you want to sell, then click on the save buttons. So after saving, it will give you the message data saved successfully. Okay, if you want to change anything inside this, then you have to change. Suppose I want to change this item to 100. Okay, then we have to also click on save and click on the update. Okay, so in this way we can make the billing, retail billing on this counter. So after making this save, and we have to check here, the here total billing is the 450 rupees. So customer ask for customer to money 450 rupees, and this is this the here is the mode of payment: cash payment, card payment, check payment. So I'm putting here the cash payment by default. Okay, so now click on the pay now. So that means the amount saved successfully, that means this amount is already paid. Now you have to take the print. Click on the print. After clicking the print, it will show you the receipt of this. So here it is coming to this. So 450, and this is the bill receipt. Okay. So this view is called the electronic view, and now we can export this to into the three format: Excel format, PDF format, Word format. So you have to select the PDF format. This will be the better. So I'm going to select the PDF. You can select anyone, okay, but I'm going to select the PDF. So I'm going to select the PDF, click on the PDF, and then it will generate, it will download your bill. So let's see. Okay, this is the retail billing. Okay, so in this way you can make the retail billing. So here this is your company information, that means your shop information, and then after the customer information, then after the medicine they whatever they have purchased. Okay, so in this way we can make the retail billing. So how you have seen how to make the retail billing. If you want to see the more component and how to see, then you have to go to the more, so it will show you the detail, more details. Okay, if you want to less, so it will show the less default. So these features are in this software. Now I'm coming to close. So I think you already understand the retail billing system. I have already explained. Now I'm coming to the another one, wholesale billing system. So I have already explained you the type of the customers. So I'm going to select some existing customer. Okay. Now same way I'm putting their batch number. Okay. I'm putting here 10 packet. So there is difference between the retail and wholesale. This is the wholesale billing. So this, okay, so here three rates. So in case of the wholesale billing you cannot customize the rate, so there are three rates, that is the auto calculated by the software, and this rate will be calculated during the purchase entry. So I'm selecting, there are three rates, one is the lowest rate, one is the medium rate, one is the highest rate. So by default it will select the highest rate. So it depends upon your decision which rate you want to give your customer. Okay, so in this way, and if you want to do something discount, then you can put here discount also. Okay, if you do not want to give discounts, the by default it will come the 0. Now I'm coming to the another medicine. Okay, so okay, I am putting here. Okay, 10 packet. So in this way we are going to select another one medicine. Whatever medicine you want to select, just put that character. Okay, I am putting the 15. Okay, so after filling this form, you have to click on the save. Whenever you will click on the save, then it will display the data saved successfully message and your total amount it will show. So total amount is the 4180. Okay, now you can take 4180 rupees from customer. Click on tab. Okay, so it will give, and now click on the pay now. Okay, so amount of save, that means payment is already saved. Now click on the print. After clicking this print, it will give you the electronic view. Same things whatever I have explained in the retail billing sections. So from there you have to go to the PDF, and then it will give the bill receipt. So here it is the customer details, then about the product details and pricing. So in this way I have, so I think you have already understand the wholesale billing. Wholesale billing, there are difference. Here you have to put the packet name and also the rate. There are three kinds of rate: uh, lowest rate, medium rate, and highest rate. Okay, so now I am coming to click on the close, and now I'm coming to the next section. Duplicate bill. Duplicate bill I've already explained the same way. Bill, you have to select this one. Mm, you have to select this one and put the one by one item. Okay, so it will not affect your inventory. So in this way we can make the duplicate bill. So I think I have already explained and already done the practical on the duplicate bill, retail bill, and wholesale billing. Okay, now come to the return. Returns, there are two sections: retail returns billing and wholesale return billings. So for returning, just I'm coming to the retail return billing. Just click on the retail return and then click going to this and select this. Either one way. Another one is that you have to select the invoice number. After giving the invoice number, it will give everything. Okay, so now from here, in this way, whatever you want to return, then you have to do the return billing. Okay, now coming to the wholesale, same way I have to put the wholesale invoice number. Whenever I will put the invoice number, it will give the details, and then we have to click on the return. Okay, so now see the more or less. Okay, this is the payment option. This is the print. Okay, now I am coming to the purchase. Purchase may there are, one is the medicine name entry. From here you can enter the medicine. So any medicine you can enter from here. So I'm clicking on the save. Okay, so this name is, okay. So in this way we are doing the medicine name entry. Now coming to the other one. This is the supplier, medicine supplier. The purchase, in case of purchase, you have to first register the supplier name. This is based for the supplier registrations, and you have to put the fill the form this like this. You after putting this, okay. So okay, after putting this, you have to click on the save. Then it will be the register suppliers. I have already registered the many suppliers. Supplier means from where you are purchasing the medicine to for your software. It might be the manufacturer also. So from there, after putting, and if you want to update something like this, then from here click on the edit, then update. So in this way I have shown you the medicine supplier entry. So what is the medicine supplier? Medicine supplier is exactly the those businessman who is supplying your medicine. It might be your wholesaler, or it might be your manufacturer. Okay, so depends upon you also how you are going to consider. Now I'm coming to the medicine purchase entry. Purchase entry, you have to first put the invoice number, okay, and then I'm putting the invoice number, okay, then putting the invoice date. After putting the invoice, then I have to select the I have to select the supplier name. Then after selecting this, it will give the all information about the supplier. So now from here it is the row. That means suppose you are taking the invoice, they have 10 records, then you can go ahead, no issue. If you want more than 10 records, suppose I am want to 20 records, then after clicking the putting the 20, then it will show the 20. I want to show suppose 15, then we have go to there and it will show the 15. I want 5, then it will show you the 5 records. So by default it will show the 10 records. So from there here, okay, if you want to add some medicines which was missing from here, then I go to the add button and then click on this and then click. Okay, whenever you will click on this medicine name, then it will show you the message. This will the existing, because that means this is filtering the duplicate medicine name. So there are two options to entering the medicine. One is from medicine name entry, one is from missing item name entry. Okay, so you have here. Now in this way, I'm coming to there. I'm showing the purchase entry. So we have to put the date. We have to put the supplier. After, then we have to select the medicine. Suppose I'm selecting the medicine of whatever medicine. Okay, batch number. Then we have to put batch number. Okay, then you have to put the MRP you will get from your bill. So MRP I am putting here the MRP 500. For example, this is the, so from here, okay. So 423 is, okay. I am putting here suppose 300. Okay, and packet quantity and expiry date this, HSN code this, whatever HSN code leave this. So this is the only for demo purpose, so I am putting anything. So okay, so whenever you will take it in your production, then you can put your according to desired need. Okay, so I am putting here this batch number. I am putting here 400. See 6%, whatever GST will came, okay, you can put there, or in this way expiry. Okay, so in this way whatever list of medicine you have purchased on this, you can put and put it by one. Okay, so I'm putting here 300. I'm putting here the 9 9 30 20. Okay, any whatever. Okay, in this way I'm filling this form. Then after filling this form, we have to click on the save. After clicking the save, it will give the save data successfully. That means we have completed the purchase entry. Okay, So now if you want to do anything's update, anything change, then you can click on the update. Okay, so after doing this update, it will automatically update. Okay, so now this was the purchase entry. I think you already understand the purchase. Just I'm going to explain one more times. Invoice in number means whatever invoice you are getting from your bill, you have to put there. Invoice date, that means whenever you are going to purchase, that date will be found on your invoice number. Supplier number will be the from where you are going to purchase. Supplier registration is the from your software. And then, so I think you have already understand the medicine purchase entry. So I think I have already explained you how to purchase entry in this DVNA Pharmacy Management Software. Okay, if you want to do more about, yeah, if you want to know about more things, then you can call us, or you can contact us on my website www.dvnsoftech.com. Okay, so now I'm coming to the, I have already explained the medicine name entry, medicine purchase entry, and medicine supplier entry. Okay, now I'm coming to the next section, reporting section. So backup, do you understand the backup? Backup means you are doing the business, so your database should be the backup. Okay, so there are one more features, that is called the backup facility. From here, and when you click, then it will show this page from your system, and then we have to click on the backup, then it will give the backups. And now I'm coming to the reporting section. Okay, so reporting section is the very easiest way and many kinds of activity. This reporting section is designed according to the activities of your shop. So okay, this is the purchase report, and this is the sales report, this is the user report, this is expiry, stock, and customer report. Purchase report, what is purchase report? Purchase report means whatever medicine you are purchasing from wholesaler, manufacturer, that from there, this is the purchase category. Purchase, when whatever things you are purchasing, then this is called the purchase reports. So purchase reports have many reports. The supplier wise, if you want to the supplier wise report, then it will come the supplier wise report, then yearly purchase report, monthly purchase report, and invoice reports, and medicine name reports, invoice date report. Okay, so purchase supplier wise report, what is the supplier wise reports? If you want to check the how much medicine you have purchased from this supplier, then it will give the or reports from these suppliers. Okay, now I'm coming to the next supplier. Okay, show this one. So in this way we can check the from which supplier I have purchased this medicine. Okay, now come to the yearly medicine purchase. So if you want to see the how much medicine we have purchased in the 2019, we have purchased in the 2018, 2017, whatever data will be available, it will automatical. Just I am selecting the 2018. So in 2018, all this medicine has purchased. So in this way, I have already explained you the supplier wise report, yearly purchase report, and monthly. Monthly means you have to select the first year, then you have to select the month. Okay, so 1 means January, 6 means June, 7 means July. Okay, so in this way, you are getting the all reports. Whatever month you will select, it will give the reports. It will varies, it will change. And suppose you want to see your reports, the invoice number. You know the invoice number, and from this invoice you want to see. Suppose I am going to see from this invoice number, then it will give the all details of this invoice number reports. So this reporting section is very helpful, and this will also give you the overview of your business of pharmacy business. Okay, so now I'm coming to the medicine name wise. If you want to see check the this medicine from where we have purchased, so it will show you the all details. Okay, so invoice number, if you don't know, if you want to check particular date, then you have to select the year and then month, and then you have to select the date, then it will give the only that date invoice. So this is purchase report. I think I have already explained you the purchase report, it is very helpful to you. Now I'm coming to the another section, that is called the sales report. Sales report means whatever you are going to sell in your medicine shop, that is come onto the sales report. So it is also here explain the sales report, yearly sales report, monthly sales report, weekly sales report, and daily sales reports. So yearly sales report, you have to select this year, then it will give the yearly sales report. Yeah, then monthly means you have to select the years, then you have to select the month. That means in the year of 2018 in June month how much you have sales, that sales report will come there. And now come to the weekly. So in this way we have to select the month, and this is the week. What is that means? This is the week number. So in this weekly and daily we have to select the year, then we have to select the month, then we have to. So in this way we can see I have already explained you the sales report. User reports, what is the user report? User report means you suppose you have a medicine shop and lot of users, that means 2 3 4 salesmen is there, so they are selling medicines. So you can from here you can track the which one which user has sold how much medicine. So I'm selecting here the year 2019 and selecting the username. So in this way we can check from user wise reports. Okay, now sold monthly sold, so we can also see the here month. Same way we have to select the year, then month, then you have to select the user. Okay, so weekly in this way. Okay, one more things I'm going to explain you the expired report. What is the expired report? So you have the lot of medicines in your medicine shop. So you have to select. Suppose you want to see the how much medicine is going to expire in the year of 2018 or 2019. Then it will give you the report. This medicine is going to expire in the year 2019. Okay, so in this way we can track the medicine expiration, and we have to concentrate on or we have to focus on that medicine which is going to expire to sell to the faster. So we can also check in the case of the any month. Suppose this month is the November, so I can check in the December how much medicine is going to expire in the December. So as per this plan we have to first target to how to sold this medicine. So in this way all reports will come. So as per your requirement, as per your requirement, as per your need, this report is useful for you. So now I'm coming to next section, a stock report. What is the stock report? A stock report means whatever medicine in your shop, that will show the reports. So suppose you are doing to sale in an entire day, and in the evening you want to see, you want to check the stock report. Then from here you can click on this, then it will show you the stock report. Okay, so whatever medicine will be available and how much medicine, how much costing, that will come in the stock report. Okay, let I'm showing the stock report. So in this way you can see the stock report on single click. Now I'm coming to the medicine out of stock review. You have to click on the view and customer reports. Customer report is suppose you want to analyze your customer, which customer is more doing business with us. So from there you have to select the customer, and then it will give the customer wise report. Okay, so in this way we can analyze the customer report in this software. So yearly customer wise, monthly customer, and also weekly. So I think all are similar. If you will able to understand the purchase, if you will be able to understand the purchase section, then it will very helpful and easy to understand the sales and user and expiry. Okay, so I think I have explained you everything in the reporting section. So if you want to know about more things, and if you want to do the practicals, then please call us, or you can contact us www.dvnsoftech.com. And also one more option is there. You have to go to the logout, and after logging out it will show you the for help desk number. This is the help desk number. and this is the escape ID, this is your WhatsApp number, whatever things, all information is there. So guys, dear friends, I think that was the all about from my side, DVNA Pharmacy Management Software, how it is working. So please keep watching this video, and okay, bye.